This is a single arm overhead tricep extension. The purpose of this drill is to recruit that tricep in an optimal range of motion. So the setup is key here. Now you're going to have your cable machine set to the very lowest setting, and you don't want any attachment. You want to be able to grab onto the ball or the anchor of the attachment so we can work through that ideal range of motion without having a handle or anything encumbering that path. So in order to set up, we're going to set up facing away from the cable, grab a hold in my hand. I'm going to start with my arm at a 90-degree angle here. So my elbow's in line with my shoulder. Now to get that ideal line of pull, I'm bringing that arm in about 15, 20 degrees max. From here, I'm nice and stacked. I'm going to place my hands on my ribs to make sure that my ribs stay stacked. Got a soft bend in my knee, nice and stacked here. I'm going to extend that arm and then come back. Exhale as I pull, inhale on the way back. Now in this line of pull, I can feel quite a bit of that distal head of the tricep, so moving more towards the elbow, and then a little bit moving towards the humerus, but that's where you should be feeling this. Now one of the most common mistakes here with this drill is one, people's arm will come too far in. So if this is 0 degrees, 45, 90. So make sure that we're in that 15 to 20. So it's not a lot of arm movement that we're looking for, but that 15-degree will give us that optimal line of pull. The other mistake with any type of overhead weight, that's why our hands are on our rib cage, is people will extend through their low back and their rib cage. So make sure we stay stacked the entire time through the movement.